Hello Amazons, it's me and this is a continuation of the jewelry haul. I actually had to redo this whole video because of course I ran out of iPhone storage space. So let's get started. In this box, I'm not a huge fan of chip necklaces, but I got this one in sterling silver and these are aquamarines. So they're beautiful aquamarine chips, and this is a 3-strand necklace. So I thought that was really beautiful. Very nice, summery and beachy. Very, very pretty. In the next box, I have some all-natural white howlite. It's very pretty. As you can see, it almost looks marbled. It's like white and gray. These gemstones are so nice and chic and cool to the touch. And again, we have a sterling silver clasp there. So I just thought this would be really, really nice for summer. Pretty strands. I like these boxes, even though I won't be keeping these necklaces in the boxes. Last box, I have here, this is all natural white onyx. Look at that. Sometimes it's really nice. Look, piece of glitter on my hand there. Ignore the glitter. Sometimes it's nice to switch up from a strand of pearls. So pretty white onyx. Beautiful sterling silver clasp there as well. And again, like think about it, on the summer boat trip, you know, yacht party, outdoor barbecue, that'll be really, really pretty. So I'm very pleased about that. Let's see what else. Let me refocus the camera. Very nice. Again, it's kind of nice to switch it up from pearl sometimes. So from Nicole's eBay store, I got this really pretty turquoise and sterling silver ring. It's a snake and it's adjustable. And you guys know Nicole doesn't clean the jewelry before she sends it out to you. So I just cleaned it with that magic bling system and it's gorgeous. So it's all polished up and gleaming. Absolutely beautiful. Let me make sure the camera's focused. So pretty. So it's a nice turquoise wrap ring. And okay guys, so I went shopping on John's eBay store weeks ago and I bought a lot of diamond jewelry. And I think he's having a sale. Like if you buy 2 things, you get 10% off of each thing. So you guys might want to double check. Hopefully he has some diamond pieces left. I don't know because, I mean, I probably bought them all. I bought so many of them. So, okay. So first, I bought this set of diamond rings. And it's absolutely gorgeous. So, look at that. Look at that gorgeous set of diamonds. This is really, really nice. I don't remember if it's 1/4 of a carat or what, but let me turn the light out so you guys can kind of see. Look at those diamonds. Like they're very, very sparkly. Look at that. John sells beautiful diamonds. He really, really does. He doesn't have a ton of diamond jewelry, but his diamonds are beautiful. So look at that. That's the set. And again, you can wear it together or you can wear it separately. I have been rocking all of these diamonds. I've been wearing them and people have been staring every time I wear them. Okay, so I bought this ring, this diamond ring as well. And this one is a 1/2 carat in sterling silver. It's not meant for that finger, but very pretty. And again, let me just, for the light's sake, turn the light out. Look at that diamond ring. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I shouldn't have shoved it on that finger, but again, gorgeous, half carat. And so, guys, don't judge me. I bought the same ring again. So there's two of these beautiful diamond rings. And I like to stack them so I get that look. And that look totals a carat of diamonds. So very, very happy. And again, are these flawless diamonds, you know, Graf, Van Cleef? No, but they're, for what they are, they're beautiful and they're genuine diamonds set in precious metal. So I love them. And okay, guys, so I bought the ring in the yellow gold over silver as well, because the girls gotta have options, right? And if you like it and it's nice, you gotta buy it twice. So I bought two. Like I said, if John has any diamonds left, you know, hopefully you guys get a chance. I was eyeing up some of the earrings, but somebody bought them. So, but yeah, so here's a yellow gold over silver, and look at that. Look at the quality of his diamonds. And guys, seriously, I'm not paid by him. I'm not given this jewelry. I shop just like everybody else. You know, so I bought these and they are yellow gold over silver and a half a carat each. So every time I wear this jewelry, I get stares. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far. Okay, and then I bought this diamond ring from John as well. So, and again, he never knows that I'm gonna buy this stuff. I just buy it, you know? So, look at that. Look at that ring. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those. And people are like, oh my God, that's crystal. That's CZ. No, it's not. It's diamond. And she's a beauty. Again, they're not flawless diamonds, but they are diamonds. And just absolutely gorgeous. I will link everything below. And the last diamond ring I bought from John's eBay store was this one. You guys know I have the earrings to match. And again, in the last video, I showed you guys a diamond pendant from John's store. So that also matches. And again, look at that. Look at that. I mean, you can't beat these diamonds for the prices that he's selling them at. They're like a steal, so. That came from John's eBay store. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous diamond ring. And I have the matching earrings. So, okay. I think the last ring is this pretty bauble from JTV. Which, sorry, it has dust on it because it's been sitting here. Let me wipe that up. But yeah, this gorgeous thing here is another Smoky Quartz ring from JTV. And I'll turn the light out really quick. See, if I turn the light out, you're not going to see this stone because that's just the difference between quartz and diamond. Diamonds shine even in the dark. Quartz does not. But look at that. Look at that. Big, beautiful quartz statement ring from JTV. So you guys know I love a big, bold ring. So there's that. And John did send me a mystery box. I'm not going to go through it completely, but it's the lever back earrings box. So just quickly, we've got some 925 silver hooks in there. None of this has been worn yet. These are 925 sterling silver earrings, cross huggies. These are the silver tone CZ studs. I mean, you never know what you're going to get in these mystery boxes. Like, this is a really cute fashion jewelry pair of earrings there. Here we have some more CZ studs, which are pretty. They come in handy for traveling. Here, these look like some simulated pearl ones. This is the type of jewelry that I travel with. Like, when I had my business trips, I was traveling with this type of jewelry from John's store. Here we have some CZ earrings here. These look like they might be in rose gold over silver. Those are pretty. And these are pearl, and they look to be in 14 karat gold. So again, that's a really cute mystery box from John, and you can see there's a mix of fine jewelry and costume jewelry in there. And last but not least, a wonderful, wonderful human being, Miss Tikki Shantae, sent me a care package. And I just thought that was so sweet of her. So she sent me some jewelry and a card and a beautiful little jewelry box that doubles as a clutch. So let me show you guys what she sent me. She sent me these beautiful Howlite stud earrings in silver. Thank you so much, Tikki. I will link her channel below. These are gorgeous, gorgeous Howlite. You know, she heard about my situation and she wanted to send some encouraging words and gifts. So thank you. She sent me this angel wing marcasite ring in silver. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And she also sent me this bracelet in sterling silver, and it's multi-gem. So you've got citrine, pearls, and that looks like a mookaite, but I'm not sure. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful bracelet in silver. I can't wait to polish that baby up. And she sent me a beautiful clutch bag from Wolf. I'm trying to like rush before my camera gives out. It's gonna say out of storage. So it's a genuine leather jewelry storage bag, and with anti-tarnish. And she sent me a beautiful card, which I'm not gonna read because it's personal. But thank you, Tikki. And she sent me this beautiful, beautiful bag. It's a jewelry box, and I've never seen anything like this. So it's a beautiful jewelry storage, but you can clip a chain here, and it came with the chain, and it becomes a clutch bag. So here's the chain, and then inside, look at that. Isn't that amazing? And this tray lifts out, so you can put the chain on here and wear it as a little wristlet clutch bag. So, so cute. And I think she got it from Evine. So again, thank you so much, Tikki. That means the world to me. Every time I wear this jewelry, I will think of you. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I'm gonna get this bad boy uploaded, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, Glamazons.